Hello everyone, welcome to week three's check-in. So lots of great information in week three. So if you head over to course content, you're going to see some awesome information. I'm actually going to exit out of edit mode, which is instructor mode. So head over to your course content, check out chapter three. Chapter three is going to have a new lecture on operational structure. Chapter three recorded lecture, which is the full lecture. You're going to have your lecture review question as you had this past week. You guys did an awesome job with that. Just keep up the same kind of work. Just make sure you post something in there because that's what's important. You're going to want to reply to another student as well, just in the outline as it says Thursday at midnight for your initial post and your one reply by Sunday at midnight. And then you have your chapter three review questions. So you guys are doing a fantastic job. I appreciate all the effort and the work. Be sure to watch both lectures this time. It's a short lecture for op structure, and I think you'll enjoy it. And then, of course, the full lecture. As we get closer to exams, of course, I'm going to do a review for you, but we got a few weeks before that is due, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, keep up the good work and let me know if you run into any issues. Thanks so much.